Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, the focus is on a pair of essential tools for any audio enthusiast or professional, the XLR Cables 15FT2 pack. These aren't just any cables. They're specifically designed as XLR microphone cables with a metal spring SR, featuring OFC male to female XLR 3-pin balanced shielded mic cable construction, perfect for speakers, podcasts, and audio mixers. Upon first inspection, one immediately notices the robust build quality. The inclusion of the metal spring SR at the connectors is a thoughtful touch, providing crucial strain relief. This feature is often overlooked, but is vital for extending the lifespan of a cable, especially in setups where cables are frequently plugged and unplugged or subjected to movement. It suggests a product designed with longevity in mind, which is a significant plus for anyone investing in their audio gear. The fact that these come as a two-pack is incredibly convenient. For many home studios, podcast setups, or small live sound applications, having two reliable 15FT XLR cables right out of the box means less hassle and immediate readiness for stereo microphone setups, connecting a mic to a mixer and then to a speaker, or simply having a spare. The 15-foot length strikes a good balance, offering enough reach for most common scenarios without introducing excessive cable clutter or signal degradation that can sometimes occur with much longer runs. Delving into the technical aspects, these cables boast OFC or oxygen-free copper conductors. This is a key indicator of quality, as OFC is known for its superior conductivity and resistance to corrosion, which translates directly into a cleaner, more accurate audio signal. Coupled with the 3-pin balanced design and shielding, these cables are engineered to minimize interference and hum, ensuring that the sound captured or transmitted is as pure as possible. In a world where digital noise can easily creep into recordings, having a well-shielded, balanced cable is non-negotiable for professional-sounding results. Connecting these cables to various equipment, such as a condenser microphone, an audio interface, and a powered speaker, revealed consistent performance. The connectors felt secure, providing a snug fit without being overly tight or loose. The audio transmission was clear, free from any noticeable hum or crackle, even in environments with potential electromagnetic interference. For podcasters, this means crisp vocal recordings. For musicians, it means faithful instrument reproduction. And for live sound engineers, it means reliable signal delivery. The black finish gives them a professional and understated look, blending seamlessly into most studio or stage environments. Considering the combination of features, the durable metal spring strain relief, OFC conductors, balanced shielding, and the convenience of a two-pack, these XLR cables present themselves as a highly practical and reliable choice. They offer excellent value for their performance and durability, making them a solid recommendation for anyone looking to upgrade or expand their audio cable arsenal without breaking the bank. These cables are certainly built to withstand the rigors of regular use, while maintaining high-fidelity audio transmission.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.